Hello, intermediate algebra students. So we are now hitting our biggest and our toughest unit of the year. There is 38 assignments altogether to go on this one. The test at the end of this unit is worth 200, not 100 points, but 200 points. So it is a major test in this one. It will really help determine your fourth quarter grade. So make sure you do a great job on this one. All right. First con is called Parabolas Intro. Okay, so we're just an introduction to parabolas, to kind of figuring out what different things mean. So in the first one, in this question, we need to mark the vertex of the parabola. The vertex of a parabola is either the lowest point in a parabola if you have a normal parabola that opens up upwards, or if you ever have a parabola that opens up downwards, then it would be the highest point. So in this case, it's the lowest point. And which is the lowest point of this one? Right there would be the lowest point. So that is where my vertex is for that parabola. Number two on this one, we're going to go through four of them. A parabola has intersection points of 3 and 9. So let's pretend it intercepted right. I wonder if I can, no, I can't steal that point. Let me see if I can just redraw a new one here quick. If we had an interception point of 3 and 1 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I guess would be right about there. If I had two intersection points like that, and it was a parabola going perfectly down and back up, what would the x-coordinate of the vertex be? Well, the x-coordinate is always the point directly in the middle of these. So halfway between 3 and 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, halfway between them would be right smack dab in the middle. If you don't know how to figure that out, or you're like, wait, well, what is it here? You can always do the mathematical way. You take the 3 and the 9, you add them together, divide by 2, and you get the midway point between them. So if you're ever in question, add the two x-intercepts, add them together, divide by 2, and then that is your vertex. So in this case, it's 6. All right, two more. This one wants you to draw an axis of symmetry. Okay, an axis of symmetry is draw a line that would create this parabola being split exactly in half. So if we were to take and split this directly in half using this green line, it would look like this right here, where you would have an axis of symmetry right here when x equals -3 right there. That is your axis of symmetry. This half is a mirror image of this half. That's all an axis of symmetry is. And then finally, the last one here. We need to graph a parabola whose vertex is at 3, 5. So the vertex, remember, is the lowest point. So we need to move this point here from here over 3 up 5, so it'll end up right here. And we need to have a y-intercept of 1. Well, if my vertex is higher than my y-intercept, this one's not going to open up like this. Instead, it's going to open down, where my vertex is at 3 over 5, and my y-intercept, I put that dot right there at 1. And it would look like that right there. Hey, that's what you're doing today, guys. Good luck. That's one of probably two cons you should get done today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.